Hey my friends, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Codito is back. I'm just kidding. So, guys, today we are gonna make, I believe this tutorial is very nice and good. I'm gonna show you ways of importing CSS in React. Let me see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, at least 4 ways I'm gonna show you guys. Maybe there are a lot of ways for sure, but these ways I usually use these ways. So now let's delete all these stuffs that we have. Let me know the div, this, yeah. Okay, let's create here div class name equal with central. Let's put an h1. Okay. Hello everyone. Cool. Let's put h4. Codito is back. Yeah. No, yes, yeah. So now the first way and most important way that we can use in order to bring here CSS, for example, we can create here, we are in app, okay, we have to import the app.css. How we can do it? Import dot, okay, and app.css. Cool. Let's open and app CSS. I'm gonna delete all the gonna delete all these things here, and let's see what I have here. I want to see the central, okay. Let's write dot central up dot central. Let's put a background, guys, okay, background color, why not. Let's put SSS. Okay, we see that we have a background. I'm gonna disable, always I do this, all the default margin. Gonna put it 0, padding 0, and box sizing 0. Okay, let's go central. Let's make a margin here, margin. Let's put 50 pixels. What I'm doing now, 0, right? Alright, and let's make a width 40 pixels. Margins. let's put auto. Yeah, cool, cool. A padding, let's say 10 pixels, okay, in order to see a padding. Okay, now it's good, I like it. I'm not going to focus more in this. So this is a way to put CSS, for example, dot central h1. We can change the color and just write color red, for example. Oh, what did I do here? Color red. Look, we can put color h2. We can make it green. H4 we have, no H2. Right, we did it, as you can see. Okay, I'm gonna disable. No, I'm not gonna disable. Okay, let's disable it. Only this. I'm gonna disable only this right now. This is the one way, the first way that we can import CSS, and the best way, of course, in my to my opinion. Another way is we can create a style object. For example, we can go here and create a const my style, for example, equal with. You can put here a color, let's say red. We can say letter spacing. We can say 5 rem, for example. Background. Here you should use capital camel case, guys. Color, remember, let's say green, right? And now we can go here in central, oh no, in h1, okay, and just write my style, right, equal with, right, and put here no my style. What did I do? Right, style equal with my style. And look now, oh, letter spacing is very one, put them one. Look, let's say 0.1. Look, okay, we inherit all these properties, guys, from my style. Okay, this is the second way. Also, you can create another my style, something like this. Control copy, put it here. My style, let's write 2, and just put yellow, for example, and you can write another properties, okay, and put here, let me see, style equal with my style too. Look, okay, look here, guys, and here you can put the background color. Let's choose a purple, for example, purple. Look here, we got this. This is the second way in which we can create things. I'm gonna disable all this right now. I don't want. all this, delete, right? And let's go and show and see the third way. The third way is with inline style. You can just write style here, equal, and you can put one pair of objects and two pair of objects. We want two pair of objects in order to put inside inline style. And you can just write now, for example, background, background color. Let's choose red. Of course, I haven't write it. Let's see why. Now it's correct. Okay, you can see we have inline style. Then we have to put comma here and go. You can just write now color. Again the same process. Look, let's choose white. And again the same process. You can choose let's say padding 30 pixels. Okay, look, right, this is the third way, guys. I'm gonna disable all these ways now. Also you can do the same process here, like this, control copy, for example. Okay, you can choose here let's say what, black. Okay, look, and you can change things. Alright, this is the third way. The third. What I do now? I'm disable all this now. What I'm doing? Okay. Right. Okay, right now I'm gonna show you another. Just close, or open a new window here, or you can close it and just write npm install styled components. Also, this way with style components is very nice. You can use things dynamically with style components. Everyone who showed my projects, I use style components in there are some big projects, I think. If you see my channel, you can see it. There are style components. Let me see, styled. Okay. Right. We have to import styled from styled. I think that I didn't write correct. I think I had this suspect. So don't want to spend time. So installed styled npm. This is the correct way, guys. Yes. Let me see. I don't remember, guys. There are so many things that you can remember all these things. Come on, where are now? Okay, I believe this is the correct way. Control copy. Right. Go here. put damn it, pm install styled components. After the installation, we have to import the styled components. So import styled from styled components. Yes, cool. Now go here and just write let's write div wrapper, you know, central wrapper. Cool. Const, let's copy all these. Central wrapper equal with styled dot div, guys. Okay, and put these two things here. Okay, we want to put, we got the central, copy this, the central wrapper, right? Just go and put here central wrapper, right? And everything now must be cut inside the central wrapper. Let me see what we are doing here, right? Central wrapper, let's say here background. Sorry guys for a while. Let's continue. Background, let's say let me see, it's been a long since I used style components. Let me see how does it work. Background red, maybe does not need this. Yes, now it works. Look, what else? Here you can influence the background of the wrapper. Let's put a padding here, 20 pixels. Let's see. Oh, we don't need this. Background red, padding 20. Don't understand now why it does not work. 20 pixel. Yes. Okay, we don't need this. Let's put this. Right, we got 20 pixels. Let's say 10. Right. Let's write, let's go inside the no, let's leave the padding. Go now inside the .central and make background. I'm gonna change the background and make it green. Right, as we can see here, we have this background. Let's uncomment, comment, make it green. Okay, we could change the color and make it white, right, and so on. We can make the same thing and write things from h1 h4. So guys, this is the way to use this is some CSS ways I told you. Personally, I like using only this way. The classic is the best way. Okay, we can have the CSS here and not get confused with CSS in JavaScript files. Also, I don't like this way. Sometimes in style way here in style CSS is good. Also, I use style component in my project. Are very powerful because you can bring things dynamically. I suggest it. This was, guys. If you like the tutorial, don't forget to subscribe and push the like button. Have a nice day.